Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pahu. Today, I'm gonna show you a new feature, but not that new because it was announced last year. I'm gonna show you the Amazon CloudFront KeyValueStore with AWS CDK. What is the CDK user experience looks like to build something like a URL Redirector using the KeyValueStore of CloudFront. So this is a blog post of 2023, last year, November 21. Basically walk you through what is the CloudFront KeyValueStore and how it works with the CloudFront functions. So the KeyValueStore is essentially like a key value cache only for CloudFront functions. So essentially, you have to figure out how the cloud function works and how the cloud function could access the key value store. So this is the very basic sample for the CloudFront functions accessing the key value store. You need to know the key value store ID, and you have a sample JavaScript to respond the 200 HTTP response like this, which is great. Okay, so this is a diagram that the client sends a HTTP request to the Amazon CloudFront edge location, and the CloudFront function will be invoked and retrieving the key value store, the value from the key value store, and generate a response all the way back. Okay, so this is essentially how it works, but I'm gonna walk you through using AWS CDK because there are some very interesting tips and tricks. You probably don't know how to do that yet. So let's get it started. So today I'm gonna create a construct. Let's call it URL Redirector. So the URL Redirector would essentially provision the CloudFront function with key value store and associate to the CloudFront distribution. And you need to create a manifest of your URL redirect behavior, key and value. And you have to prepare a very tiny Node.js function for the CloudFront. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new file. Let's call it, for example, URL Redirector. I will need AWS CloudFront from AWS CDK lib CloudFront a CF and we'll see AWS as CloudFront origin construct from constructs. Okay, let's create the URL redirector construct. Okay, so we have a CloudFront distribution here, and the origin is example.com, which we really don't care because what we are gonna do is that we just redirect in the viewer request stage, just get it redirected. I don't really care about the origin, so it could be example.com or whatever. But let's make it Amazon AWS.com. Amazon AWS.com. But we are not going to hit our origin anyways. Okay, and now we will need the key value store. So I'm gonna create the key value store. Okay, so it's not key group, it's key value store. So key value store, new CloudFront key value store. Okay, what do we need? The key value store we'll need the key value store name, which is an optional, so I don't really care about it. Source is so where is your content comes from to populate the key value store. So we'll need the source, I guess. So this is a sample. Okay, so the source is from an asset, local asset, which is a JSON. Great. So I'm gonna import my source from a local JSON file. Let's call it data JSON. Pass join. Okay, so we need a data JSON. Okay, it should be looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy and create a data JSON. Data JSON. So okay, so for the key value manifest, for example, I'm gonna create a custom domain name. For example, my custom domain name looks like this, and when the user hit the GitHub, then I will redirect to my GitHub, real GitHub location, right? So the first key would be GitHub, and my GitHub location would be, okay, great. And my second key would be YouTube, this one. Okay, awesome. That's it. So this is our data for all the key values. Okay, so I think we are good here for the key value store, and we have the distribution here, and we need a cloud function to and associate with this key value store, right? Create the cloud function with the key value store. Okay, the key value store is here, yeah, which is great, and the code. Okay, let's see what is the sample code looks like. Okay, so this is the sample code. Let's just copy our sample code. Sample code. Okay, so this is our sample code. Sample code. Okay. So our code should be from file, sample code. Sample code. Okay, awesome. Okay, so but if we look at the sample code, we need to know the key value store ID, which we don't know yet. And one of its limitation is that the CloudFront function does not support environment variable. So you have no way to pass a dynamic value as a variable into this function. So we have some tricks, but if you look at the document CloudFormation, it has a sample here, examples both in JSON and YAML, and you see that it is using an intrinsic function to substitute the code here, to substitute by referencing logic ID of the key value store and its attribute ID here. So yeah, so we need something like this intrinsic function to get it replaced or substituted. Yeah, so somehow we need to do that, but we don't have the function out of the box to do that. So my idea is that so this would render the source code into the stream, but we still need to put the intrinsic function to get it replaced. So what I'm doing now, we got a raw source code, for example, like this, and we get it rendered. So this is our raw source code in string, right? And we need something like function. We need something like function sub, and the raw code here. And in our source code, we'll need something like this to get replaced, right? To get replaced or get substituted. And we need our KeyValueStore logical ID to be this one. So we need to get it override. Okay. Yeah. So that is the trick, how to get it replaced. So first thing first, I need to override the logical ID of this KeyValueStore. Try find child resource, and the one resource to logical ID override. Okay, override to this one. Okay, so the KeyValueStore would be provisioned with this static logical ID, and we can reference it like this, and eventually get replaced by the CloudFormation intrinsic function fn sub, get it replaced. Okay, but if you look at the code is actually the CF function code type, so we cannot just get it replaced here. So we should have a placeholder for now, and have another property override to get it replaced. So I'm gonna have a placeholder here. I need to get it override. Okay, function node, try to find function, a popular function. Yeah, that's it. Awesome. So yeah, let's do the CDK sync and see what's going on. We don't need to provision the distribution for now because it just takes too much time. Okay, let's just write a simple tiny CDK application and get it synthesized. Okay, so we are gonna import this from this file, URL Redirector from this file. Awesome. So let's just synthesize. So if you look at the function code here, we have a substitute. So this would be replaced by the intrinsic function, and the KeyValueStore should be the logical ID of this one. Which is great. Okay, so I guess we are good. We can try get it deployed for now. So npx CDK deploy request URI. All right. Okay. So when we use the intrinsic function sub, we should avoid using the character like this. So because this would confuse. Would be confused. Okay, let's deploy. Okay, so this is 301 header, and we should just return 301. Otherwise, it's not found, so we should return. Okay, I think we are good. And okay, I think we are good. Let's get it deployed again. So if we got the key from the key value store, we should just redirect with 301 header. Otherwise, 404 not found. The return of the handle should be, let's call it value. Value. We don't need to join anything here. Okay, let's deploy again. Oh, by the way, we'll need to provision the CloudFront distribution. Yeah. Let's create the distribution here with the CloudFront function. Okay, function here. Okay, we are good. Okay, I think we are good. Yeah, let's deploy again. Okay, now, let's get finger crossed. Yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna curl -v, for example, GitHub. Okay, yeah, we got it. And we should be redirected here. Awesome. Okay, and for the YouTube. Okay, so this will redirect to my YouTube. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. So it's some very tiny tricks here to get a substitute using the intrinsic function. Which is a little trick here. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to comment below. Let me know what you'd like to watch or to learn, so I can have some interesting demo for you. Don't forget to hit the like and hit the subscribe. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.